In this video, let me show you how to use the Robinhood Gold card travel insurance. Now, in order to get this travel insurance from Robinhood, you need to pay your entire common carrier ticket using the card that you have. So in order to activate the insurance, as I said, you need to charge the full cost of your common carrier tickets, such as your plane or train, depending upon what you're using, so that the card insurance can be activated. Once that is done, you'll also need to check the coverage limits, like the $2,000 maximum trip interpretation benefits that you may be able to see. And once this activation has been made, you simply need to claim the insurance. In order to claim your insurance, you simply need to open up a web browser and you can simply search for something like Gold Card Travel Insurance Get Help, and you'll be able to find the number being displayed, which is the toll-free number or the contacts outside US, depending upon if you're outside of US, and you'll be able to simply call this in order to claim your insurance within this card. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.